All right, now to Kisumu, where a bus manager who shot dead a matatu driver over a parking space last week is set to be arraigned in court this morning. Let us link up with our reporter Kevin Ogutu for details about this story. Ogutu, good morning. Has the suspect been arraigned in court, and what do we expect to transpire within the corridors of justice?
Well, very good morning, Brenda. We are right here at the Winam Law Courts in Kisumu. Despite this being a magistrate's court, we are expecting the miscellaneous file, that is for the investigation of Daniel Jaoko, to be closed right here before the court can give further direction. We've been waiting here for some hours right now, together with the family lawyer, P.D. Onyango, and also the family of the deceased, that is Peter Otieno, who succumbed reportedly to gunshot wounds somewhere on the 17th of August this year. And this is an incident that happened in Polyview Estate area within Kisumu. And so right now we are waiting to get further direction from this point, because as I speak right now, we are yet to have the suspect, one Daniel Jaoko, being brought here. And it is only after this particular miscellaneous file has been closed, it's up after that, that we will have the inquiry file being open with regard to the death of Peter Otieno. The information that we've got so far is that the post-mortem report is already out, and it was conducted on Monday last week, the 19th of August, at the Avenue Hospital in Kisumu. And from the report, it was deduced that apparently he succumbed. There was internal bleeding occasioned by gunshot wounds. And just to bring us up to speed on what the next course of action will be, I'll be speaking with the family lawyer, P.D. Onyango, who is here with me. And Wakili, welcome to KTN News. Maybe you need to, I would like you to maybe tell us what we need to expect from here. We are getting reports that, first of all, the miscellaneous file has to be closed. Maybe just take us through the steps that will be taken if at all he is to take a plea. We are also made to understand that the High Court is on vacation. Maybe just bring us up to speed on what should be transpiring on the corridors of justice.
Yeah, thank you so much. We expect that the investigation is complete, and they're supposed to close the investigation file. That's the miscellaneous that was opened here. Then it's supposed to be taken before the High Court for the plea of murder.
The post-mortem report is already out. I don't know whether you've seen it and what you make of it.
I've not seen the post-mortem report, so I can't comment on that. Yeah, but I understand it is out. Ordinarily, we are supposed to get those things at the point of taking the plea. Yes.
And regarding from here, you said once this file is closed, where do we move to next?
Once this file is closed, it's supposed to be taken to the High Court in Kisumu. Then, as you know now, the High Court is on recess. What may happen is that the Deputy Registrar of the High Court may direct that we go to a duty judge, wherever there's a duty judge, whether it will be in Busia or Kakamega. If the court directs that, then we'll go there, then the plea will be taken there, because the lower court cannot take a plea of a charge of murder. That may happen. But the other thing which may also happen, if you don't do that, is that the court, the deputy registrar, may, once the file has been opened, may give a date when the plea will be taken once the judges are back from recess. So in the meantime, the guy will remain at the remand at Kondele until that time. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. That is P.D. Onyango, who is the lawyer representing the family of the deceased, that is Peter Otieno. We are with him right here at Winam Law Courts. And as he's put it, we are waiting for the closure of the miscellaneous file first before we can get to know the next course of action. So that is the match that we have right here at Winam Law Courts. Back to you in studio, Brenda.
Of that court case. Of course, I know you continue giving us, bringing us up to date with what will happen within the corridors of justice once the court case begins.